guys, it's Celia and I'm back with another video. So today I am going to be doing finger coils and a finger coil out. I have not tried finger coils in literally so long, so I figured why not try it today. So as you guys can see right here, I'm freshly out of the shower. My hair has been shampooed and conditioned, and I used these Camille Rose products, the Sweet Ginger Cleansing Rinse and then the Janysns conditioner. So I'll link those below. And you guys know I like to go in with my oil to oil my scalp so it's not dry and itchy and flaky, and I use the Mimi's Growth Serum. So again, everything will be in the description box. So I've done finger coils in the past and I did them too small, which took forever and also gave me a super shrunken look. So this time around I didn't want my sections too small. I did them bigger. So I'm gonna spray my first section with this As I Am Jamaican Black Castor Oil water. This thing is almost empty. I use it a lot on the girls to refresh their hair. What else do I use it for? Sometimes I use it like now before I style, and then I also use it before I pre-poo, so I really like that stuff. And now I'm just detangling, and then we're gonna get started moisturizing. So I decided to use the Pattern Beauty styling cream and the Strong Coat gel just because for the finger coils I wanted something that was going to have my hair moisturized, which this cream does. And then I also wanted a gel for some hold, but I didn't want anything that would flake or just make my hair like, I don't know, dry or crunchy. And since I used these on a wash and go, which if you missed that video I'll put it down below, but I really like these together as a combo. It's really good, so I knew it would be perfect for these finger coils. So now I am just detangling my section to make sure my hair is nice and smooth, and then I'm just going to start coiling my hair, which as you see I just pretty much twirl my hair around my finger over and over and over. So yeah, I do like take breaks from coiling. I don't just keep coiling all the way till you get to the end, because if you do it like that you can kind of get your hair like stuck around your finger. So I just work in like bits, and that also helps to just make sure the curl, or the coil I should say, is nice and uniform. So that is how it's looking. Now I was trying to make them super perfect, so I did kind of just go back and recoil it to make sure, you know, it was nice and in place. And then that's my coil. It's really simple, you guys. So now I am just going to repeat this process, spray my hair with water, detangle it, start with moisturizing by adding my cream, working that in, then going on top with my gel, working that in as well. And then after I smooth everything out with my brush, I'm just going to start coiling until I get to the ends, and there you have a coil. later, this is what my hair looks like. I don't know how many finger coils I had in my hair. I did not count, so I can't tell y'all. But yeah, I do wish I did the back a bit smaller compared to like the top. It's just a bit chunkier, but it's okay because it's gonna, you know, work out in the end. So I did sit underneath my hooded dryer, and these coils dried pretty darn fast under the dryer. But then I just air dried overnight to, like, you know, let it set completely. Now this is the next day, and I actually had my hair pulled back in a ponytail while I went out and ran some errands, which it looked really cute. Like, you can wear these finger coils down as just like a style, or you can put it in like ponytails, half up, half down. It's a really cute style, kind of similar to like mini twist in a way, where you can actually just wear these and then when you're ready unravel them. But anyways, I'm talking too much, so I added some oil to my hands to help with frizz, and now I'm just putting my hair in a ponytail just so that it's easier for me to separate and stuff and they won't get in my way. And how I separate is I uncoil the coil. You want to make sure it is completely uncoiled from root to tip, just so, I don't know, it just makes the process easier. And you want to make sure your ends are uncoiled too, because if you try not to, then once you start to separate, it's gonna get like tangled. Because trust me, I was trying to rush on a few of them and that happened. So learn from my mistakes. But once you have your section, then you just coil it back into place, and that's pretty much it. Now, I'm not gonna lie, this process took a whole hour, y'all. Whew, after I took these down, I was kind of irritated because I did not expect it to take that long, but I'm gonna just fast forward so you guys can see what it looked like what it looked like separated. Alright, so this is my hair completely separated after an hour, and after I seen what it was looking like, I wasn't so mad. It was really looking cute. It kind of reminded me of like dreads, honestly. So I'm just gonna show you what it's looking like right now before I like manipulate it and fluff it out. The back was looking good, you know, even though I thought I did the sections a little too big, but I'm going to actually go in with my blow dryer because I'm going to kind of give my hair a little bit of stretch. I wanted to just give it a little bit of elongation and then also kind of help stretch my roots so that it was easier for me to like separate it, since you know I kind of coiled it tightly at the root. So that's just gonna help me with volume as well. So now I'm doing the, well, almost final step. I'm going to fluff it out with my wide tooth comb, just fluffing my roots and all over the place to try and give me some volume and kind of give this a bit more life. And then I'm going to go in with my edge control, and I didn't show it on camera, but I did use the Pattern Beauty edge gel. I've been obsessed with this stuff since I did my review on it, so yeah, get you some. And then I'm going to show you my final results, y'all. I be talking too fast. So this is the final look, you guys, and I was so in love. This came out so good, and I felt really pretty with this hairstyle. Like, I don't know, like I told you, it was kind of giving me like dread vibes, even though obviously they're not dreads. But I don't know, it just looks like it. And I just love the coils. I love the length. I'm glad I did go in with my blow dryer, and I do think that doing the bigger sections definitely helped. So the back, you can kind of see where I like fluffed it out, but it wasn't a big deal. Other than that, my hair felt good, it looked good. So I did love the products I used, and this style just came out cute. So I encourage you guys to try it out. Let me know if you've tried this before, if you liked it. Let me know if you like my results, and I'll see you in my next video.